Hi. So as you know, we're scaling like crazy. We have 30 new teams in 4 different territories. And of course, our biggest and most delicious product launch ever. So I think it's time we upgrade to Trello Enterprise.
I love it. Tell me about the problems we're going to solve.
Okay. Lots of users means user management tools. Multiple territories means extra security. And we need unlimited integrations so the team can connect their Dropbox and Jira and Google Cal to...
Whoa, I'm still catching up here. Let's start from the beginning. The basics are still the same, right?
Correct. But now you can break your tasks down more with advanced checklists. These also connect to your calendar and action items.
This board is action-packed.
And we can keep using our favorite apps without leaving Trello. Watch.
Can you just add as many as you want?
Yep. All Powerups are available with the Enterprise upgrade. As admin, you can also restrict them if needed.
Sweet. What about automation?
Automation is even better with Enterprise. Now we can create practically unlimited rules and commands.
And can you see how much this helps everyone on their tasks?
You can see everyone's progress. For example, the team table view shows your team activity across multiple boards.
That's actually super helpful for our managers and execs. But what's in this for me?
Oh, the admin controls are gonna look great on you. Here we can see everyone's level of access, which Powerups they're using. When they logged in last, we can toggle permissions on and off, and everything we do is encrypted, both in transit and at rest.
All right, I'm sold. But I need a quick refresh here.
Okay, so we've got centralized admin tools.
Check.
We've got maximum content security so we can be first to market safely.
Double check.
And finally, we've got all the productivity tools, automations, and Powerups we discussed earlier.
Wow.
I know, right? Now, are you ready to get upgraded?
Yeah, let's do this.
Trello Enterprise. Propel your company's collaboration to new heights.